guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to fraction. Basically, we have here in numerator and denominator some fraction terms and which are basically dividing. So we have to solve like how we can solve this type of expression and get the correct result. Here we have the four answers. So we will solve and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. As you can see, like we have two type of uh, terms. In first, in the numerator, we have a bracket, and in the denominator, we also have the bracket and have the sum fraction term. So we have to solve these fraction terms and find out the result. So how we can solve? As you can see, like 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 we have. So here we can do, basically we will write like here we will take the LCM, and in the LCM, like here we have the 4 and 2. So as if you are take the LCM, so you can write like 2 comma 4. And if 2 1 the 2 and 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2 and 2 1 the 2. So here we have the here we have like 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. So it means that here we have the 4 is the LCM, and when we divided this 4 with this 4, right, like this one, 4 1 the 4, and this one we have to put outside. So 4 1 the 4, say here we have the 1 answer. So 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1 minus, and here we have the 2. So we will write like 4 divided by 2. So 2 to the 4. So here we have the 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. This part we have solved like using LCM. Now we have this part. So here we do not have any number. So we have the 1. So we take the LCM is 5. And because 5 is in this part, we have 5 in the denominator. So we will write numerator as it is 2. And we do not have here anything, like here we have the 1. So 1, basically 5 will be multiplied with the numerator. So 5 1 the 5. And we will write the bracket. Now we will move forward and solve this part. Like this one, 1 minus 2 1 the 2 upon 4. And here we will write like 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3 upon 5. Right? And again, we can solve this part. So 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1 upon 4. And divided by minus 3 upon 5. Now, how we can divide this part? So the most easiest way to solve this part is basically what we can do. This term, this operation we can change into multiplication. And when we multiply this one, so numerator can be reciprocal. Sorry, denominator can be reciprocal here. So here we will write like here, we will write like this way, minus 1 upon 4, multiply and divide sign will be changed into multiplication, and now we will take this reciprocal 5 upon, right, we can write like minus over here and upon 3. So this part has changed because we change the division sign into multiplication, and after that it becomes the denominator part becomes the we can take the reciprocal of the denominator. So now we can solve because it's very simple now. Minus minus plus. So we can write minus minus plus, and 5 1 the 5. And the denominator we can say 5 3 the 12. So answer of this question is 5 upon 12. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer. As you can see, like 5 upon 12, we have the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how we can solve this expression using the fraction method and easily and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.